So I'm Chris Van der Loo, the Market Manager for Water Solutions in the Trimble Agriculture Division. Today at the Farm Progress Show we have announced two acquisitions. The first one is RainWave out of Auburn, Alabama, and the second one is IQ Irrigation, which we've entered into a definitive agreement to acquire those guys, and they are out of Christchurch in New Zealand. What this means is it's a key thing for Trimble to enter into the irrigation market. RainWave provides us the ability to identify any position on the ground in the United States and be able to get virtual rainfall information for that given location. That has a lot of advantages for a farmer because they no longer need to have physical rain gauges in the field. So there's a convenience aspect to this, and there's also an accuracy aspect to this because physical rain gauges tend to have accuracy problems when the rain is coming in from an angle, for example. They break, they get cracks in them, they can get stolen. There's multiple reasons why the physical rain gauges are a problem. So we are effectively eliminating that for a farmer. But what's really good about this is that that data is available to them via a mobile device on a daily basis. Actually, they can get 24-hour rainfall information every single day without having to go into the field. The second acquisition that we did is IQ Irrigation, and what these guys provide actually is individual nozzle control across a center pivot irrigator or a linear irrigation system. And by doing this, we're actually providing the grower to be a lot more efficient with his water and actually increase his crop production. So it gives us the ability to do variable rate irrigation as well as exclusion zones. So for example, a road or a farmhouse that he wants to avoid with an irrigation system, he can do that. So by combining these two technologies, we're really providing the farmer a very powerful solution. Now he knows exactly where the rainfall fell at a very granular level across the field, and he can use that information to make much better informed irrigation decisions and then actually apply that so that he can apply the water in exactly the right place at exactly the right time for what his crop really needs. From a how we're going to distribute this, again, Trimble is very dependent on its distribution channel, and we expect that the IQ Irrigation product will be no different to what we do with our current products today, where we really will depend on our distributors from an installation and a support standpoint to make sure that our growers are successful with the product. So for more information on these acquisitions that Trimble's just made, you can visit trimble.com, and or you can also visit rainwave.org, which is also the place that you can sign up today to be able to get these virtual rain gauges. On the IQ Irrigation, you can visit www.iqirrigation.com.